Hey everybody, I'm Joey and I'm back with another product review. Today, we're gonna take a look at this Carnivore Club box. It's part of their monthly subscription that you can subscribe for or you can send out as a gift. They have a couple different boxes. I think this one's filled with charcuterie, but right now let's answer the question, what's in the box? All right, so the first thing we see right here is a compilation of their meat menu. It tells you a little bit more about the meat that's in the box. So we're gonna open all this up. My favorite part, we're gonna try it, but let's show you what we're looking at. This is Win in Rome Dry Salami right here. Next up, we got some all-natural hot pork, not hot, hot. Over here, we have some all-natural Tipsy Cow Salami. Tipsy Cow, that's something I can relate to. Next up, we have some Sacrible all-natural salami sticks. And over here, we have the Diablo Salami sticks. So, let's open it up, check it out. This is the Win in Rome salami. This fine ground Milano-style salami adds clean, lean Spanish flavor. Made from pasture-raised heritage breed pork, this gentle and juicy salami is mixed with a blend of garlic, salt, and pepper. Next up, we have hot pork salami. Now this is inspired by the trend-setting salamis hailing from Italy. The salami is rich, bold, and utterly delicious. Made using pork that is coarsely ground before flavorful chunks of back fat are added to the mix. The mixture is seasoned with an array of traditional spices. White wine and garlic permeate the meat, adding intensity and flavor. Sounds delicious. Tipsy Cow Salami. Now this is a Red Bear original inspired by a trip their team took to the Armagnac region of France.
Armagnac.
Made using whole muscle cuts of vegetarian-fed Angus beef. The meat is then flavored with brandy, seasoned with garlic and aromatic spices, lightly smoked over natural oak hardwood, and then aged for 2 weeks to develop that deep red color and sweet, fruity flavor. Next up, we have the Diablo Salami. In southern Italy, salami picante is a staple of the antipasto plate. It's similar to Spanish chorizo, coarsely ground pork seasoned with paprika and hot pepper flakes for a vibrant red color and a spicy kick. And finally, we have the Sacrible Sticks. These incredible sticks are a celebration of the ancient art of French charcuterie, a simple artisan creation inspired by the rustic, dry, cured salamis found in delicatessens throughout France. Crafted from the whole muscle, all-natural cuts of pork and flavorful back fat. This salami has ample flavors of garlic, sea salt, black peppercorn, and a touch of red wine.
Armagnac.
All right, guys, now it's time for the best part, the taste test. So I'm gonna start here. I like spicy. Let's start with this Diablo. Very fresh. It's not too greasy. When you get a lot of, beef sticks, or in this case, this is a salami stick, okay? So it's not even a beef stick. A lot of times when we get this stuff, it's just too greasy. Now, this, on the other hand, it has that fresh taste. With the name like Diablo, I was expecting something really spicy, and it's not. It's a good beef stick, though. I'm sorry, salami stick. Now, let's go here with the Sacrible. I was expecting this to have some bleh cheese in it, but it doesn't. What it says here is that it's the celebration of the ancient art of French charcuterie. Now, the first thing I noticed is the meat's a little tighter in there than it was with the Diablo. The chew's a little different, a little snappier. Hey, the good news is it doesn't taste ancient. It tastes really fresh. It's pretty good. All right, next I want to try this Tipsy Cow Dry Salami. Now, just take a look at how dark this is. As a reminder, this is the one where they went to the Armagnac region of France.
Armagnac.
Obviously, I can't pronounce that word, whatever it is. I never took French. It tastes very fresh. It is made of beef. It's different than anything that you'd get in a summer sausage or anything like that. So you're definitely picking up some of that garlic, You are getting a little hint of those spices that are in there. I don't drink a lot of brandy, so I can't really comment on whether that's a strong flavor profile. I don't know that I'd recognize it here. This is the, what is this? The Haute, H-A-U-T-E pork salami. Let me hold that up. You can see those peppercorn. I guess those are, yeah, peppercorns in there. You can see the fat profile here is a lot different. Well, here, I'll hold it up. This is our beef salami right here. And you can definitely see the difference in the fat composition between those two. That provides a little bit more oil on the tongue. It's not unpleasant. Now, I said it wasn't too spicy, but right after that, I definitely got a bite of that peppercorn, which isn't a spicy to me. It's a mild heat. It just sort of permeates the palate. This one is a little sweeter. I think it's being balanced by that white wine. I think this is the one that had the white wine in there. I'm definitely picking some of that up. Okay, gotta cleanse the palate again. I mean, my God, do I have the hardest job in the world or what? It's terrible. Next up, the Win in Rome salami. It's a Milano style salami. Don't really know what that means. It has some clean, lean Spanish flavor. See what that's all about. It's from heritage breed pork. Picking up a little bit of the pepper that's in there. Again, I'll hold it up with our hot pork salami. You can see, again, that's the peppercorn right there on the hot pork. This is the Win in Rome. It has, you're definitely picking up some of the pepper there. I really like pepper with my charcuterie. I really do. Hey, Carnivore Club, thanks for sending me this box. This is not, for anyone watching at home, this is not gas station beef sticks and charcuterie. This is really fresh tasting stuff. And the thing I really liked about the box, frankly, was that it gave me a wide variety of stuff I might be hesitant to buy for myself at the store. It's a nice mix, and I understand that it's a different package every single month. I'm looking really forward to next month's shipment. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, you know the drill. Go ahead and hit that big thumbs up like button, or even better, subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss another update or delicious product review. I'm gonna get back to eating and drinking, but I'll see you guys next time. Hot.